Hi guys, hello. So I'm here now. You see that? So we're going down again. I'm just waiting for my mother, sister, and brother-in-law. See that? See that face? My God. So I'm waiting here because I can't go there, for my son will will cry. See that? Oh, see? Ayun na siya. Ayun na siya. Oh. You see that? See that ugly duckling? Grabe yung pimples ko. Oh. So this is my face. Ano na sila? They're coming. Ako din di oh. They're coming, they're coming. They're coming. So we will go na. Dito rasa na. Doon lang muna yan. Dito na. Wala kayo dalang bag?
Wala. Kita po eh. Kuti oy.
Mag-aragin na ang bag.
Ano na, kaya mo. Lalalang kita. Puti yung mukha mo. Ano mo, si nanay yung sa mukha niya.
Oh, see?
Ano mo ganun? Ano gilagay mo na? Ha? Ano gibutan mo?
Aray ko. Naano nanay man iyog. Do tinunto na obra man.
Alis kami nila nanay.
Wow, so nice. Nice view, right? It's very cold here.
Bukit kami.
Wow, see. It's very good. It's very good here. Nauna ra ko kala.